Here the question is a biconcave lens of power P vertically splits into two identical plan of concave parts. So they are asking us to find what is the power of each part. Now we know that the power of concave lens which is equal to 1 by F. So we can write P equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus R2. So they are talking about the concave lens. So this is the concave lens. Let us take, this is R and R here. This is center. Now we are going to split it into two identical concave parts. So before that, let us write 1 by F, which is equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by R plus 1 by R. So we have P equal to 2 times of mu minus 1 divided by R. So let us take this as 1. Now we are going to split this biconcave lens into two identical plane of concave parts. So one thing, just we are going to take this side, so power is R here, and this side is infinity, and the next one is we have R here and infinity. So we are going to write P dash, which is equal to 1 by F dash, which equals to mu minus 1 divided by 1 by R minus 1 by infinity. So we know that 1 by infinity is 0, so we get P dash, which is equal to mu minus 1 divided by R. So let us take this as 2. Now we are going to divide this equation 2 by 1. So if we divide this, we get P dash by P, which is equal to mu minus 1 divided by R. If we inverse it, we get R divided by 2 into mu minus 1. So we can cancel out this mu minus 1 and R. So we have P dash by P, which is equal to only 1 by 2. So if we simplify this, we get P dash equal to 2 times of P. So the answer is the power of each part will be twice of P. So answer option A, 2 times of P.